This is an underwater picture, and I will try not to move the camera, and I know my hand's in the way, but you know, you're gonna have this and thingy, and you're gonna have and then and then you would draw some rocks, and you would put a couple dots on them to give them texture, and then there is your fish. 3 circles and a mouth, and then you would have the that and the gill, and then you could put a little fin on top if you want him to have a mohawk. And then you would draw bubbles, and you just put a highlight, and yeah, and there you go. That is a picture underwater, and